Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Many people have at least one sinusitis, rhinitis, or stuffy nose crisis during the year. Recurring problems of allergies, mucus, or phlegm can make your life very unpleasant. That's why draining your sinus is super important. If you suffer from this, you will like to learn the recipe we will teach in today's video. Do you know what the sinuses are? They are located above your cheeks, right next to your nose. Sinuses are cavities filled with air. Because of allergies, cold, and infections, both viral and bacterial, the sinuses can get blocked or infected. When it happens, the sinuses get inflamed or irritated and can swell and eliminate more mucus, which makes it harder to breathe. Besides that, there are other conditions that can trigger alterations in mucus secretion, such as smoke, pollution, dry air, dehydration, and climate changes. Food allergies like dairy, gluten, and artificial additives are also triggers. If you suffer from this, you are not alone. Are you curious to know what this powder is we are talking about? Then give your thumbs up and share the video with your friends. In many cases, the recipe we show you today will be enough. Learn how to treat it in a simple, effective, and homemade way. The only thing you will need is 4 big cloves of garlic. It is very simple to do it. Start by peeling the garlic cloves. Cut them in very thin slices to keep all the properties. After that, put the slices in a frying pan and put it over medium to low heat to dry the garlic. Stir constantly to not burn. Once they are all toasted, it's ready. The next step is to grind them with the help of a blender or food processor. Do it until you get a white and loose powder. And your garlic powder is ready. Keep it in an airtight glass jar, and if the container is small, you can bring it with you wherever you go. This powder can be used for 1 or 2 months, and then you can make a new fresh batch. It is very easy to use this powder. Just open the container and smell the powder a few times during the day to avoid and end rhinitis, sinusitis, or even if you have a sneeze attack. So, did you like this recipe? You must be asking, why garlic? Garlic is rich in antioxidants and is very efficient to inhibit histamines by the mast cells. Garlic is a powerful antihistamine, and as we have seen in a recent video, antihistamines are anti-allergic, but in this case, garlic is a natural anti-allergic. If you make this recipe, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.